Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. I hope all of you well and doing your study well. Okay. So today we are going to start your new chapter. Nothing stop them. Chapter 27. So kindly all of you open your book. Okay. Chapter number 27. Nothing stop them. See. Listen. It is a great achievement for anyone to perform extraordinary acts, but it is even more so when this is done despite being especially able. It is true that no one can stop the person who has ability to act on what he or she wishes to achieve. Okay, means we can see the many persons got good achievements, a big achievements in our country now. So and also they are continue finding their achievements. Nothing stop them. So here are a few people who have achieved a lot of despite being especially able. Okay, can you identify them? So one by one we'll identify, okay, with the help of the clues is given now. So first one, listen. She was born in Kerala, India. One of her return trips from Mumbai to Chennai, she met with an accident resulting in the amputations of her right leg. She was given an artificial leg, and despite this, she became one of the most proficient and celebrated dancer of the Indian subcontinent. So name of this lady is what? Sudha Chandran. Now next one. She is a former American track and field athlete. At the age of 9, she developed a disease that left her legally blind. She is a 3-time national champion in the women's 5,000 meter race. She won 4 gold medals in the 1992 Summer Paralympics. In 2001, she co-wrote and published her autobiography, that is No Finish Line, My Life as I See It. So name of this particular lady, you know what is this? Marla Ranyan. Okay, now next one. He was a Dutch painter. He is regarded as one of the greatest painters the world has seen. His paintings have contributed immensely to modern art. In his 10-year painting career, he produced 900 paintings and 1100 drawings. He was suffering from a mental illness, and in 1889 he was admitted to a psychiatric hospital. So name of this particular person, you know? Anyone? Vincent van Gogh. Okay, now next one. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest composers in history. He gave his first public performance as a pianist when he was only 8 years old. He studied in Vienna under the guidance of W. A. Mozart. In the year of 1796, he began losing his hearing. In spite of his illness, he immersed himself in his work and created some of the greatest work of music. He achieved all this despite being completely deaf for the last 25 years or so of his life. So name of this person is, you know, anyone? Can you guess? Ludwig van Beethoven. Okay, now next one. He was a well-known French journalist, author and editor of French fashion magazine Elle. In 1995, he suffered a massive heart attack, causing him to go into a coma for 20 days. After coming out of the coma, he found himself with a very rare neurological disorder called locked-in syndrome, in which mental state is perfectly normal and stable, but the body is paralyzed from head to toe. In that case, he was able to move only his left eyelid. Despite his condition, he wrote the book The Diving Bell and Butterfly by blinking when the correct letter was reached by a person slowly reciting the alphabet over and over again. So name of this famous person, you know, anyone? Any guess? Yeah, Jean Doe Bobby. Jean Doe Bobby. Okay. Now next one. Yeah, he was a British theoretical physicist whose world-renowned scientific career spanned over 40 years. His books and public appearances have made him an academic celebrity. He was severely disabled by motor neurons disease since he was only 21. Gradually, he lost the use of his arms, legs, and voice, and as of 2009, he was medically declared completely paralyzed. He used to communicate through a speech generating device. You know, name of these famous people? Yeah, anyone can guess? Yeah, Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking. Now next and last one. She was an American author, political activist, and lecturer. She was first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Annie Sullivan was her teacher who taught her to communicate by spelling words into her hand, beginning with DOLL for the doll. She was a prolific author. She traveled to over 39 countries with her teacher. She was a good friend of many famous figures including Alexander Graham Bell, Charlie Chaplin, and Mark Twain. You know, name of this particular lady? Tell me. Yeah, Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Now, students, see in the book on the last, okay, some facts given. Harry Boniface Prabhu. You know who is Harry Boniface Prabhu? Yeah, a quadriplegic wheelchair tennis player, was a medal winner at the 1998 World Championship and was also awarded Padam Shri by Government of India in 2014. One more fact is given here about the Deepa Malik. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in the Paralympics. She won a silver medal in the shot put event at 2016 Paralympic Games. She was honored with the Arjuna Award in 2012 at the age of 42. She is the eldest recipient of the Arjuna Award till date and also received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2019. Is it clear? So this is all about this chapter. Nothing stop there. 27. So dear students, kindly go through this video and try to understand all the topics. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.